Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maureen. I do subscription box reveals and generally Ulta hauls. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of all my future videos. If you like this video when you are finished watching it, please hit the thumbs up button before you leave. And if you'd like, leave me a comment on any ideas for future content. And we're going to get right into this video, which is Boxycharm for November 2018. And the theme for Boxycharm is Gold Digger. You always get this nice pamphlet, and it gives you all the items in the box. And at the very bottom of the page, you'll usually see a number. So I have 3. That's the 3rd version. There's just several versions of Boxycharm box. And on the box, the back, it tells you about the new Boxylux and gives you the website information and all that. But this is a great pamphlet, and it gives you prices, which is nice so that you can see what the items in the box are valued at. So let's get right into the box. And the first thing that we'll take a look at is from lashaholic lashes, and these are Instaglam false eyelashes. And let's open these up so that you can see them. They're very pretty. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And it says, elevate your eye look with your new lashaholic lashes. These are 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers that gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And these retail for $14.99. I'm not a big lash wearer. I do have pretty thick and long lashes, but I might keep these because these ones are very nice. I like that they're varying lengths, and and the band looks kind of thin, so I might give these a try. They look very nice. So these, and they do have a nice case with the nice closure. And I guess these are their Instagram. I guess that's maybe the style. Instaglam. I'm sorry. Instagram on my mind. Instaglam. So we have lashes. And then in the box, we have, it came in a nice bag, or 4 brushes. Let me open this because and these are from Luxie, and these are premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. And these are, in this company, which is Luxie Beauty, is a cruelty-free company. And just trying to read here what this is. So it's kind of hard to see. So this is the first brush. Kind of hard to read from what the handle says. So this is your, these are minis, but that's mini round, mini angled, mini tapered, and mini flat angled. I guess that's the, I don't know which, okay. So this is, we'll start with this one. This is an angle. So this one is the angle brush. This to me looks like the mini round. And then you get a mini tapered. I don't know which one's the tapered. Maybe this one's the mini tapered, because that's okay. And then this one's probably the mini flat. But they show you on my hand. Very nice, very soft. You know, have just what you want in a brush. I don't mind the handle length. I don't like super long handles anyway, but let's spread these apart so you can see them. So these are very nice. Never mind getting brushes in any subscription box that I receive. So then you have those lashes. And the next product here, let me read about it. I'll show it to you. Is from jonteblu, and it's a glittering star eyeliner. This says, sparkle up your glam with jonteblu Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. And this is valued at $5. And it had a nice point on it, and I did swatch it on my hand and broke the point off, so I'm real thrilled about that. But I swatched it on my hand. I'll show you the swatch. And you can see the glitter. And that will be pretty. I mean, it says it's black. I mean, I don't think it's a deep, deep black. It almost is like a blue black to me. So, but it's very pretty. I've never tried a glitter eyeliner before, but interested in trying that. The next product in the box is from coverfx, and this is the glitter drops, and I believe this is in the shade, or in the color Nova. Just don't think that's going to focus today. Okay, so these are Nova. Let's open these up. I've never tried anything like this, so I have no idea even how to use these. Oh, pretty. Very pretty. And this retail value is $44. I would assume this is a full-size product. Wow, they're really pretty. It says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact reflective finish that wows. Yes, I would assume that these would wow. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Okay, so I've never ever tried a liquid glitter, really any glitter. I was excited to get this because it's something new that I've never tried, and it does have a dropper on the top. We can open these up here. Wow. Let's put a little bit. I'll drop on my hand and we'll see. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. So there it is on my hand. Wow, that is nice. I could see where that would really, I don't know if you can really spot that, but that has got some glitter. I like that. I guess that would be good for your décolleté. You could put that on your shoulders. I would love to try that on my eye. Just to see how that goes. So that's in there. And then the last product in the box, in true boxy style, is from acebeaute, B-E-A-U-T-E, Butte. And this is the Grandiose palette. Nice packaging. This is a cruelty-free product, which is always nice if you're interested in that. Let's remove this. It doesn't have a mirror, which, you know, I'm okay with. It would be nice if it had a mirror, but it doesn't. So there are all your colors. You have jasmine, and you have patchouli. You have clove and rose. You have myrtle and poppy and cinnamon and primrose. And I am not going to swatch these just for the fact I might include this in a giveaway that I'm going to be doing on my YouTube channel. So I might just hold on to this, and this way it's not swatched and I can make it part of my giveaway. And that is a pretty palette. So once again, this is from Boxycharm. Boxycharm is $21 a month, and you always get a palette. I have not seen 1 month where you don't. So we have the coverfx glitter. We have lashaholic lashes. We have the glitter eyeliner in black, which I think it's like a blue black. And then we have 4 really nice brushes from Luxie. And that would be the box. So I am always thrilled with my Boxycharm boxes. I have never been disappointed. And I actually will be getting the Boxy Luxe in December and cannot wait. I've seen a few of the spoilers and that box looks phenomenal. And I also saw on their website that they're offering boxes that you can buy. I think there's 3 different boxes that you can buy, and you don't have to be a charmer or don't already have to be subscribed to get the monthly boxes in order to buy them. I think you can just outright buy them. So I'm not sure when that is starting, but go to boxycharm.com and take a look at that if you're interested in just a one-time box. And they had varying 3 different levels of pricing and content. And as a subscription holder and the Boxy Luxe now, I'm even interested in buying one of them just because some great products, and I just started getting this. It's only my 2nd or 3rd month, so I think some of the products in one of the boxes are previous to my getting Boxycharm, so I am definitely interested in that. So that is the Boxycharm box for November 2018, and the theme is Gold Digger. Have a good day. Bye.